Affiliate marketing is evolving fast, and there are some exciting trends to watch in 2025. If you want to stay ahead of the game, here's what you need to know. AI is taking over and making life easier for marketers by automating content creation, optimizing campaigns, and even predicting what works best. It's like having a 24/7 assistant. Videos are king. Short-form content like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts is engaging its audiences like never before. Authentic product demos and fun storytelling are turning views into conversions. Traffic that counts. It's no longer just about clicks, it's about bringing the right people to your content. Mobile-friendly strategies, voice search optimization, and targeted campaigns. Even small, consistent efforts can make a big difference over time. To maximize your affiliate marketing success, keep sharing your link across multiple platforms. If you're an aspiring content creator, or a content marketer, or an individual who simply wants to boost your engagement on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok with our AI auto-creation and auto-posting software, reach out to us by visiting therealcashapp.com and tap the faceless video software button. And while you're at it, pay extra special attention to the free bonuses we're throwing in when you join our team. And remember, although we all start out in this industry unknown, there's absolutely no reason in the world why we can't all finish unforgettable. Keep rocking.